There's a couple of ways to copy-paste on your Android tablet, and you can copy-paste text, images, files, etc. I'll use text as an example here. First, we'll want to choose what gets copied. Tap and hold a word on your screen, and you'll see a blue highlight appear. If I want to copy everything on this page, I can choose Select All. Now the whole document gets highlighted, so I don't have to manually highlight everything. If I want to just copy a small portion instead of the whole page, I can use these blue handles to narrow down my selection. Tap and drag the handles to choose the portion you'll want to copy. Once you're done, just tap Copy. Then I can open another app. Could be a browser, could be my notes, email, whatever. Then I can just tap and hold where I want to paste my text, and a similar menu appears. I can either paste the text as it was copied, which will retain the formatting like font size and style. If I don't want to retain the font, I can copy as plain text. This will just copy the contents, but keep the default font that I'm currently using in this app. Not every app will have these two options. For example, if I was pasting a web address into my browser, I'd simply see one option for pasting. Another kind of fun way to copy-paste is through the split screen mode. I can use the app switcher and tap the icon on top of any app, and then choose Open in Split Screen View. Then pick another app to view side by side simultaneously. Now that I have two apps active at the same time, I can make a selection like I did earlier, and then simply tap, hold, and drag it over into the other app. And that's how you copy-paste on your Android tablet. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and click that like button if this helped you. It really helps my small channel. Thanks all, hope to see you in another video.